Hi everyone. So in the last video we talked about packages, and what I have here is I want to show a demo of how to make and use packages. So what I have here is a packages directory, and I've got a land vehicles directory inside of it. And the land vehicles is just what my package name is going to be. And inside this I have the vehicle class. I've made abstract just for the sake of it, and I've got a test file which is right now empty. But what I'll do here is something like package land vehicles, so it knows that it belongs to that package, this vehicle class. Now what I'm going to do is something like vehicle v equals new vehicle, and I just want to show you the different kinds of errors that come up. So I'll do a java c test.java, and I've got cannot find symbol vehicle. So it just can't find the vehicle, the class vehicle. So what I should do is, let me, before I do an import, do land vehicles dot vehicle, and here as well land vehicles dot vehicle. So this is actually a way to do it, as I talked about in the last video. And now if I hit enter, it says vehicle is not public in land vehicles, cannot be accessed from outside the package. So what this means is that I should also make this class itself public. So I should do public abstract class vehicle. um, and now if I let me just clear the console and do this again, and it says vehicle is abstract, cannot be instantiated, which means that it finally knows about the vehicle class. And that's one case, and another case is something like this. If I do import land vehicles dot vehicle, this still works. It'll give me the same error again, vehicle is abstract, cannot be instantiated. And I could also replace this by a star, and my error would continue to be the same. So all of these work. Now let me just make a new folder which is vehicles. That's going to be a sub package inside of my line vehicles package, and inside this let me create a new file and call it car.java, and here I'll say package land vehicles dot vehicles, and I'll do a public class car extends vehicle, and inside this let me just have an int fuel, and actually making this private makes more sense, and actually here as well making these protected makes much more sense than private. So I'll do protected to all of these, and here as well protected, and the rest is fine. Coming back here, I should do a static int fuel capacity, and let's just leave it at this now, because the thing that I want to demonstrate just does not require any methods or anything. So coming back to test, I could now do a car C is equal to new car, and what I've got here is land vehicles dot star, and as I said, the star does not import sub packages. So ideally car should not be imported here. So let me do a java c test.java, and as expected it says cannot find symbol. So what I would have to do here is import land vehicles dot star. I could also do .car, but doesn't matter. And here it says within the car class cannot find symbol vehicle. The reason for that is because I'm not importing uh, land vehicles dot star here. So I should do that, land vehicles dot star, and now I'll do this again, and it now just says that car is not abstract and does not override method this, so I should actually do a public int calculate maintenance cost, and this should, let's say, just return fuel capacity minus fuel. um, After this I should get no errors. So that's how you create packages, and I could do a lot more here. I could make a I could make a water vehicles package, and I could make more classes inside of the vehicles class. But I think you get the general idea. And another thing that I wanted to show you was how to do this packages stuff in Eclipse, because it might be slightly different. So I've got here an empty Eclipse project with the name packages demo and an src folder with a default package inside which I've got the test class, and I'm just going to copy. Okay, so let me first create a package. So what I need to do here is right click on src, go into new, and inside this select package. So this creates a new package, and let's name it land vehicles, just like we did before. And this created a package, and this is empty right now, which is why this is white. And I can go into new, and let me create a class and name it vehicle, and I'll make it abstract from here itself. Finish. So this creates my vehicle class, and I already have package land vehicles written here. The rest of it, let me just copy from right here. So I'll take all of this and paste it here. So this is my vehicle class, and I'll have to create okay, so my new package will be inside this land vehicles package. So I'll right click on that and go into new package and name it vehicles. And after this I need to create a class. I'll name it car and finish. So this created my car class, and I'll copy that as well from here. I'll of course have to do an import vehicle, actually import land vehicles dot vehicle, and I'll make this extend the vehicle class. So that done, I need my test file again, and I can do a car c equals new car and system.out.println. Yeah, I need an import statement here as well. Actually, I just want to show you that if I hover over this, it gives me car cannot be resolved to a type, and I can actually fix it from here itself. Just select import car, and this does it for me. And system.out.println, and this should be c.calculate maintenance cost. That done, I just need to click on run, and this is my console right here. I got a 0, and I can make this something like 100 like I did before, I think, and I'll press on run again. It prints 100 as expected. So that's it. That's the demo for the packages, how to make packages, how to use them, and I think this should get you started on packages. You'll understand the importance and use of packages when you actually make big projects where things are divided into packages and sub packages. But this covers most of it. So I'll see you next time then.